How to build a job-winning GitHub profile. What is a GitHub profile? Your GitHub profile equals your public developer portfolio. It shows your repositories, your code, your activity, your skills, your contributions. Why? Recruiters check GitHub. Shows real coding ability. Proves you can build projects. Why your GitHub profile matters for jobs. Recruiters use GitHub to check your coding style, see your projects, judge consistency, evaluate problem solving, verify your experience. Why? Resume shows claims. GitHub shows proof. Code greater than words. 1. Profile basics. First impression. Important profile elements. Profile photo. Username. Bio. Location. Optional. Pinned repositories. Why? First impression matters. Looks professional. Builds trust. Best practices. Use clear photo. Short technical bio. Mention tech stack. Example bio. Java, Spring Boot, React, REST APIs. Why? Quickly tells what you do. 2. Create a strong README profile. GitHub allows a special profile README. It can include who you are, what you do, skills, projects, contact links. Why? Acts like homepage. Highlights your strengths. Makes profile stand out. 3. Build real projects. Not just tutorials. Good projects. Solve real problems. Have multiple features. Use real tech stack. Have backend plus frontend. Include database. Bad projects. Only hello world. Only copied tutorials. No explanation. No readme. Why? Real projects show real skill. Tutorial code looks fake. Recruiters notice. 4. Write good readme for each project. Readme should contain project description, features, tech stack, how to run, screenshots, demo link. Why? Makes project understandable. Shows communication skill. Helps recruiters test code. 5. Use proper commit messages. Good commit messages. Add login validation. Fix payment bug. Improve UI layout. Bad commit messages. Update. Changes. Final. Why? Shows professionalism. Makes history readable. Shows thought process. 6. Show consistency. Activity graph. GitHub shows contribution graph. Green boxes equals activity. Why it matters? Shows you code regularly. Shows passion. Shows learning habit. Best practices. Push code often. Work on side projects. Contribute weekly. Why? Consistency beats cramming. Looks natural. 7. Pin your best repositories. Pinned repos should be your best projects. Most complete. Most relevant to job. Well documented. Why? Recruiters look here first. Saves their time. Controls what they see. 8. Use proper repository structure. Good structure. src. readme.md. gitignore. License. Why? Looks professional. Easy to understand. Matches real-world projects. 9. Show collaboration skills. Ways to show teamwork. Pull requests. Issues. Forks. Open source contributions. Why? Companies want team players. Shows GitHub workflow knowledge. Proves collaboration. 10. Add license to projects. License tells how others can use your code. Common licenses. MIT, Apache, GPL. Why? Looks professional. Needed for open source. Shows maturity. 11. Avoid bad practices. Avoid pushing node_modules. Committing secrets. Messy repos. No readme. Empty repos. Why? Looks careless. Security risk. Red flag for recruiters. 12. Show tech stack clearly. Show skills using repo topics. README badges. Profile bio. Example: Java, Spring Boot, React, PostgreSQL. Why? Easy keyword matching. Helps ATS systems. Improves searchability. 13. Add demo and live links. Add. Live website. API demo. Screenshots. Video demo. Why? Shows working product. More impressive than code. Saves reviewer time. 14. Keep profile clean. Clean up old useless repos, broken projects, incomplete experiments. Why? Quality greater than quantity. Less noise. Stronger profile. 15. Common beginner mistakes. Only forks. No own projects. No README. Random commits. Copy-paste projects. Inactive profile. Why? Looks fake. Shows no effort. Hurts job chances. Why learning this matters? Helps you get shortlisted. Show skills. Stand out. Build confidence. Prove experience. Why? GitHub is your coding resume. Strong profile equals more interviews. Real life example. Resume equals list of skills. GitHub equals proof of skills. Anyone can write, Java developer. Few can show working projects. Why? Proof beats promise. In simple words, GitHub profile equals developer portfolio. Projects equals proof of skill. README equals explanation. Commits equals history. Activity equals consistency. Good GitHub profile equals skills plus projects plus consistency. Job-winning GitHub profile equals code plus clarity plus professionalism briefcase PC.